Loading data as steps and as points. Production data and data types have several options in selecting data format during loading of the data from a historian tag, points or steps. Gauges have only one option for the data format, points. Next, a source is selected from the drop-down list. In the Tag Search dialog, a relevant tag is selected. Data format point is used to represent an instantaneous value only at the timestamp of the data. Pressure and temperature data is usually represented by point values. To load a step data, the data icon is invoked. Next, a source is selected from the drop-down list. In the Tag Search dialog, a relevant tag is selected. The preload window displays the first few records of data from the historian. The data format can be selected as time at start, time at end. Data format time at start, time at end is used to represent a value over a specific time interval, a step which begins from a certain reference timestamp and ends when the next timestamp denoting a new step begins. If a step is defined as time at start, then the value of the step starts at the first timestamp and is the same until the timestamp of the next step is reached. If the step is defined as time at end, then the value of the step is defined by the value of the second timestamp and is the same back up to the first timestamp of the step. If time at end is selected, a reference timestamp for the beginning of the first step must be defined. Step data is frequently used to define production data, especially daily allocated rates. Choke data, ESP frequency data are also good candidates to be represented as step data. After validation, KAPPA Server proceeds to load the tag in the background. This concludes this video on loading data as steps and as points in KAPPA Server.